Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to sign into your Xbox account using the Xbox app on your mobile device. Whether you are setting up your console, managing your Game Pass library, or accessing cloud gaming, this guide will ensure you are connected and ready to play. First of all, download and install the Xbox application on your smartphone, whether you are using Android or iOS. Always make sure to download the app from Google Play Store or your App Store, and once you do that, launch the app open. You will be in the welcome screen soon after you do that. Now, to sign into your account, you'll need to tap on Sign In. Click on the Continue button to get to the login interface. From here, you'll need to go ahead and enter your Microsoft account's credentials. You can go ahead and tap on Sign In with a different account and then go ahead and enter your email or phone number associated with your Microsoft account. After you enter it in the text box, tap on Next. Now on the next page, you can go ahead and enter your Microsoft account's password in the text box. You can also use your Face ID, fingerprint, PIN or security key if you want. Make sure you type in your credentials correct. If you don't remember the password, you can tap on Forgot your password and reset your password for your Microsoft account. If you remember it, you can type it down in the text box correct. Finally, click on Next, and you will then be able to sign into your account easily. If you have the two-factor authentication enabled, you'll need to verify your identity, and once you are done, you'll be taken back to this home screen, and that's it. Following these steps, you should be successfully signed into Xbox mobile app and ready to enhance your gaming experience. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.